Good morning all, CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Thursday morning, June 10th. We are looking at Window Trader's market profile of the SPY, IWM, and triple Qs. And with 75 minutes to go prior to the opening, we're all trading either right at or below yesterday's price probes. ECB came out with their announcement. No rate change or anything. Nothing. No surprise there. Obviously, everybody's waiting for this 830 CPI number. Let's go over destinations and then a game plan for this morning. So right now on the upside, your first destination in SPY and ES will be L's low, the price probe of 421.81. Then we have the single prints, the trend day M's high to E's low, 422.06 to 21. Inside of that is the pre-market high of 422.19. If sellers fail again, then that 10-wide park of 422.79, afternoon rally high 422.97. And then you have the all-time high and the overnight all-time high. For the downside right now, our first destination is 420.90. I apologize. I'm forgetting yesterday's low, 421.41. So 421.41 is yesterday's low, first destination to the downside. Then we have our overnight low of 420.97. Then you have the daily low, bottom of our 4-day balance, 420.32. Fill the gap at 419.99, 419.16, 10 wide from the third, naked pock. The single prints from the third, remember, 419.72 get filled at 24. Lowest accepted price of 417.03, and last week's low of 416.28. So, game plan for this morning. Well, right now, game plan pre-market, and even once the market opens, it will be basically the same. We all went out with price probes. SPY and Russell went out with a trend day down. The bottom line is E's low for all three of these indices are the line in the sand. So buyers are going to have to overtake L's low and then fill the gap and get acceptance in. Until that happens, I'll be looking for shorts for a couple of reasons. You're going to have lower value to start. And where change took place, I want to be short. So pre-market, you could be shorting below L's low. Now again, if you get into L's range, you can take it out if you'd like and then reshort it again around E's low. Depends on how much heat you want to take. Obviously, at 8:30, these things can move pretty good, right? I'm not looking for a long, really. I mean, you can take a long against yesterday's low and use your overnight low right now as your out, but that's still about 50 cents lower. Right now, I think I'd make the market prove itself to me, and I'd just be looking for shorts. Look at triple Qs. They did not go out with any single prints, but they did probe. So E's low, same is important. They're looking possibly the gap lower. So until you get any kind of MGI that tells you buyers might try to wrestle back control, I'm looking for shorts. Now, if we get acceptance, if this number comes out, or any time during today, we get acceptance back inside E's range in any of these, a lot of things change. Number one, your value could go from lower to overlap into lower at least. Number two, we had very prominent POCs, 10, 10, and 9. Any acceptance back into yesterday's range, you'll go trade that POC. You can't discount the fact that, like I said, we could have gone down, no matter what we went down late yesterday, that POC could not be lowered in SPY and ES. That's an important thing. I'm treating yesterday as an inside day, basically, in all three of these. Triple Qs was an inside day. But, I mean, Russell and us just took out the previous day's high just by a little bit. So, inside day, if you come out of it to the downside, you go with it and monitor for continuation or lack of. So if you do play the short side and we get acceptance below yesterday's low, well, then you should go and travel to the bottom of the 4-day balance, and then you should go and fill the gap. And then you see if you can get to that naked POC. Again, this is if sellers ever show up. It wouldn't take a lot, Any kind of tempo, momentum, volume, you can get to those areas in a heartbeat. Remember, we've failed constantly at the all-time high. We said that. We said buyers are playing a dangerous game here. On the flip side, there's been no sellers here for God knows how long. So, if they fail again and we get acceptance back into E, nothing's changed. We'll go back to POC and then we'll play against the all-time high. So these are all really early plays. I mean, volume this morning right now, pre-market, 273,000. The volume's been horrendous. We did 48 million yesterday. And then on the chart, just quickly, just show you the daily. Here's your 4-day balance. Treating it as an inside day. You come out of it to the inside, we'll see what happens at the all-time high again. You come out of it to the downside, we should go test the bottom of the 4-day balance. See if that holds. Balance rules will apply. Remember, if we gap lower, depending on the gap, if the gap's not much, I look to take a short. If the gap becomes large after 8:30, I am not looking to take it. I want to see what happens then at the balance low, or even if we really gap lower at last week's low, right? Never know. But if we get any acceptance below this 4-day balance and we fill the gap, ultimately your destination will be 416.28 to start. Good luck trading today. Have a great day trading. Remember, if you're in CamelbackTrading.org's voice channel room, you're getting these up-to-the-date trade ideas while the profile is being live streamed all day. Good luck today, and we'll speak at 4 p.m.